Morning. I'm going to do a quick walk around video of this Ferrari 488 coupe. The car overall is in outstanding condition. All right, the front nose is in very good condition. So is the front bonnet. There's no rock pecks. The front bumper cap is all covered in PPF. So they did the whole cap and the whole all the way back to right here on both sides. There is none on the front bonnet itself, but the front bumper cap is PPF'd. We'll go down the driver's side. The wheel, no curb spots on the wheel. Tires are in very good condition as well as far as tread. You look down the driver's door. There is no dings or scratches. Same as the rear fender, no dings or scratches on the rear fender. On the rear wheel, there is no curb rash. We look around the rear of the car. The rear bumper is in good condition. There's no dings or scratches or gouges in the plastic bumper. The carbon fiber rear diffuser is in good condition. It's a huge option on this car. Getting a little fallout from the trees above me on some of this stuff on here, but that's just stuff that's fallen out. And a water droplet. We'll come over here to the passenger side. Again, no curb spots on any of the wheels on this side either. No dings or scratches down the passenger side. This is a factory two-tone paint. This is painted black from the factory, which again is a rare option and not a very cheap one. It gives just a nice contrast to the car. Going over a couple of the other options on the exterior, we have the painted yellow calipers. We have the carbon rake here on the intake. Again, you have the carbon fiber rear diffuser. You also have the carbon fiber front splitter on the front. So this whole piece is carbon fiber across the front. You also have the Scuderia shields. These are an upgraded factory wheel painted in black. Also has the carbon fiber center caps. I'm gonna try to get underneath here to see under the front lip. As with all of these cars, you're gonna have a little bit of scraping underneath the front lip. Typically we fix those before they're delivered, so that would be taken care of before we would deliver the car. We just have not done it yet. Just like the exterior, the interior on this car is in excellent condition. The dash is in good shape. Seats are in really good shape. There's no bolster wear. Look at the door panel. It's all in good shape. All right, I'm going to go over a couple of the options on the interior. As you can see, it has the carbon fiber steering wheel. with the shift LEDs. You have the carbon fiber on the dash in the driver zone. You have carbon fiber on the center. A few other options. You have the carbon fiber door sill. It has the front lift, which is controlled by that button there. The Daytona style seats. Come over and take a look at the passenger side. See the door panel is in good shape. Same with the seat. No wear spots, no bolster wear, no issues over here. Again, see the carbon fiber across the dash in the center. Carbon fiber on the rear part of the center tunnel. All right, we'll take a look at the inside the engine compartment. This has the factory carbon fiber engine compartment option. You can see everything's nice and clean in here. When I was going around the exterior options, I forgot to mention the carbon fiber inserts on the taillights. All right, gonna go ahead and show you that the front lift system is working. There, it went up. That angle may not be the best one to show it, but now we'll go ahead and put it down, and it is lowered as it should. So the front lift system is working as it should.